Been through the storm back when I was little, I still 10 toes, you know how it go. I watch niggas eat, I used to be starving, in my glow, I'm bad for foe. Before that I got where I'm at right now, I used to be poor, we slept. Alright, what's up y'all? We finna go get the hood wrap today on the Camaro LT1. We go outside, get y'all a little before, and then once we got everything on and assemble, go get y'all the after. When you go show y'all that little footage, man. Finna make sure it's crispy for y'all. I got y'all. It's a semi-cold start. It's not fully cold. Look like I got my nigga. It's not fully cold, like I said. Finna get y'all a little before. This is before the car, before the hood, right? Satin black, I think that's semi-gloss. Sure, cause I made it back. Niggas try to rob me, shoot him in the back. Big ass F ain't got kickback. Cause you look back, and you know he ain't doing no tick-tack. Chopper bullets be short sub, don't think I'm sweet, come try your luck. I'm KG, spaz on the beat, my ex bitch was a you get out the car, you smelling this dozer. She calling me saying she need clothes. The difference with me and you niggas, you lazy. I get up and working for when I be tired. I'm stacking you flex, so you little niggas really be broke. And thinking like little adolescents. Broski finna hook it up.
What's up, man? We back at it again. Finna get the hood wrapped on the Camaro. You know? But tune in our music, man. We gonna be previewing it on this channel, man. Y'all better stop playing it. Tune in, bro. Subscribe. Once we hit 1,000 subscribers, we're gonna do a giveaway. So y'all better fucking subscribe.
You heard it. You heard it.
Got this one.
All time basically net. How she look? Hey, that shit kinda look cold. Only if it was a supercharger on that bit.
I was like, did he even pull the field on?
Having a good time.
Pull that down?
Damn! That was like a ZL1 a little bit. That shit cold.
The face of this just looks so aggressive.
Shit, I gotta put that ZL1 bumper on. That shit'll look even better. Alright, this the V6 bumper. It's the LT1 edition. This ain't the SS bumper.
So what is this, an LT1 or an SS?
LT1. Well, it's got same motor and shit.
You see my Mustang out there?
No, I ain't see that yet. I'm gonna have to check that out. What you got done to it?
Everything.
Damn.
Supercharged?
Nah, I don't need that. I got a Hellcat.
E85.
You'll see when you walk out to it. This literally everything.
Your job is calling from up and on. Do you want to go over the road for Christmas? What the hell no? But then I had to think. Shit, I ain't going to 50 minutes like nothing.
Think this a little bit.
Yeah. Hey, this shit look, I'm satisfied. I ain't gonna lie, this shit look what I was saying. Now I'm
rated 1 through 10.
You said what?
Rated 1 through 10.
Fucking 11.
Yeah, BMS. Yeah. This the work, man. Get in tune, man. Come get y'all shit right, man.
Hey, what up, YouTube? It's your boy D Welch, man. Welch Raps. You can follow me on Instagram at Welch_raps with a Z.
I built it all at one time.
Yeah.
Like had everything laid out like a Christmas tree in the corner. There was hella shit, and then I just started building this bitch.
Oh yeah, this shit cold. We can hear it.
know if y'all can hear me for real.
It look in the daytime. If it's super light, it look whitish.
This shit cold. He got the goat on that. It's just, oh yeah, hell yeah. It's cold.
I ain't shit, I'm smoking on my nigga, got me feeling so robotic. I can't fuck with none of these bitches. All these bitches think I'm top, so many zeros in my account, nigga. I don't know what to spend. Shorty said she wanna fuck me, I say you can bring a finger.
Yeah,
been through the storm back when I was little. I still 10 toes, you know how it go. I watch niggas eat, I used to be starving. In my glow, I'm bad for foe. Before that, I got where I'm at right now. I used to be poor.